Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Today, I am going to be telling you about the temperate deciduous forest. I am getting my wilderness badge today by asking my friend who lives in the forest all about her habitat. Let's go, because the wilderness must be explored. Ka-ka-rar! This is the temperate deciduous forest. The average temperature is around 50 degrees Fahrenheit in a year, and it has around 30 to 60 inches of rain. The temperate deciduous forest can be found in the eastern United States, Northwest Europe, East Asia, and Eastern Australia. Over here, I'm going to lead you to my friend. We're almost there. Oh, wait a second. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Fantastic.
That's wonderful. So, deforestation is one of the world's biggest environmental issues, and my dear friend has brought me to corporal form in order to educate you on how to preserve nature. Now to me, you guys are the John Smiths of today, before you fell in love with me, of course. And if I could change him, I could change you too. So if you haven't caught on by now, my name is Pocahontas, and here's a quote about conservation. The purpose of conservation is to maintain plant and animal diversity, as well as the sustainability of our natural resources. The methods for doing this have to be contemporary and open-minded, and should also be focused on protecting species, and also on restoring the forest to its natural grandeur. A way to go about doing this would be to link wildlife specialists and managers to temperate deciduous forests and their private owners. The national government could also get involved as well. They can support and promote the forests worldwide, such as what the United States is doing with El Yunque in Puerto Rico. So as I previously stated, deforestation is one of the major issues that threaten temperate deciduous forests. Now, because these forests are located in places like the eastern United States, northwestern Europe, and the eastern Asia, those are places that are currently developing or are already developed. And because of this, urbanization starts to become an issue. Because not only do they litter the forest with pieces of that iron piece of junk and the beach ball over there, there's also houses right outside the edges of this forest, which cuts down the forest in size. These forests also have very fertile soil, which makes for very good agriculture. But however, because of this, the trees are being cut, and the forest is just being cleared to make room for agricultural fields. But besides man-made threats, there's also natural threats that just happen because of the world. Now, however, this natural threat is also caused by the humans. Global warming has made previously thriving plants and animals become endangered species because they have not adapted well enough to the environment, to the rapid shift in temperature, because it was very quick and they just died off. So now they're becoming extinct and we need to protect them. So save this environment.
Hello, Russell again. Now I'm going to talk about the abiotic and biotic factors of the temperate deciduous forest. So some abiotic factors would be the sunlight and running water such as ponds, streams, and rivers. Some biotic factors would be carpet moss, white oaks, white birch, and American beech. Some other biotic factors would be animals such as platypi, chipmunks, the bald eagle, and the black bear. But as you can see, a lot of these animals aren't currently living in the forest because of urbanization and deforestation. They've had to relocate to find better places to survive.
Pocahontas here. Okay, so now there's plant-animal adaptations. Plants have adapted to temperate deciduous forests by leaning towards the light, also known as phototropism. Now this is shown by that plant. Its leaves have become more spread out and it's more open to receive more sunlight. They also have large root systems, or it's like more nutrients to the soil. So that's also another adaptation. Now for animals, some of them hibernate during the winter, so that they preserve body heat and they're not as cold during the winter, which is a very drastic temperature change from the summer. Now they also use trees as food and shelter in order to protect themselves from incoming prey. Now they also prevent themselves from becoming prey by having camouflage in order to blend in with their environment so that they're not as conspicuous. Very fertile soil, which is
Bless you!
the trees are being cut, diversity, as well as the sustainability, I don't know why sustainability is such a hard word to say.
Sustainability.
Cells at the seashore.
Okay, say it 5 times fast.
Sally sells seashells at the South Store. I just said South Store. Okay. Sally sells cheese shells at the South Store.
Now say sustainability.
Sustainability.
There you go.
Can't speak.
This is.
Sustainability.
I hope I got that on camera.
I hope not. There's a log there.
There's a log there.
It's to maintain plant and animal diversity, as well as.
Can you tell me about conservation?
Well, I could. I just can't look up what it is. Also known as just leaning. Okay, let's just try one more time. If I can't do this, we're going to kill Pocahontas.
Okay.